Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
The H22A has a twin-shaft head with 4 valves per cylinder and, because it is a sporty motor, it utilizes the well-known full VTEC valve timing and valve lift system, which kicks in from 5,800 RPM. Camshaft specifications for each model can be found below. Inlet valves are 35 mm in diameter and exhaust valves are 30 mm in diameter. Specifications of Honda H22A engine. Honda Motor Company 2.2 liter, 2,157 cubic centimeters, 185, 6,800, 190, 6,800, 200, 7,270, 100, 212, 7,200, 220, 7,200. 9.9 liters for every 100 kilometers of mileage. Engine oil quantity. Recommended oil for use 5W35W 4010W 3010W 4010W 5015W 4015W. -50 Honda Accord Type A, Euro a Honda Prelude Honda Tornado engine modifications. Like any Honda engine, the H22A has several modified versions. Let's take a look at what modifications were applied to the powertrain. H22A, a number of JDM Honda versions, found with red or black valve cover. The H22A with red cap, red-headed, is the meanest variant, which was put on the Prelude Type S, Sir S-Spec and Accord Euro R. It develops 220 horsepower at 7,200 RPM and 221 Nm at 6,500 RPM. It features hump pistons with an enlarged displacer, which increases the compression ratio to 11. Also, the red H22A uses its own intake manifold, 62.5 mm throttle body, light porting of the cylinder head, its own exhaust manifold and 57 mm exhaust pipe. The camshafts on this engine are as follows: phase 306-310, lift 11.91, 11.12 mm. The H22A Euro A engine from Accord has a different intake manifold. The H22A with black cap, black head, is the typical variant found on the Prelude Sci, Prelude Sir, and Accord Sir. This engine develops 190 horsepower at 6,800 RPM and 206 Nm of torque at 5,500 RPM. The second version has 200 horsepower at 6,800 RPM, 219 Nm of torque at 5,500 RPM. H22A1 black top, used camshafts as on JDM H22A black top, compression ratio reduced to 10. Power 190 horsepower at 6,800 RPM, torque 214 Nm at 5,500 RPM. It is found on North American Prelude SRV, Prelude VTR. H22A2 black top, used on the European Prelude 4th generation. The camshafts are similar to H22A1. Output is 185 horsepower at 6,800 RPM. Torque is 215 Nm at 5,300 RPM. H22A3 black top is a rare, almost nowhere to be found version for Prelude. Technically similar to H22A2. H22A4 black top, version of H22A1 for Prelude 5th generation, with open block and new control unit. Power output 200 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, torque 212 Nm at 5,250 RPM. H22A5 black top, H22A2 version for 5th Prelude VT and Prelude VTS with new control unit. Power 185 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, torque 206 Nm at 5,300 RPM. H22A7 red top, motor for European Accord Type R, analog of H22A red top from Euro R, but with a different exhaust manifold. Its head blow-by is slightly better than that of H22A from Type S. Power output is 212 horsepower at 7,200 RPM. Torque is 222 Nm at 6,700 RPM. H22A8 red top, H22A7 analog for European Prelude VT and Prelude VTS. This motor was fitted with H22A2 head with camshafts from Type S. Power output is 200 horsepower at 7,200 RPM. Torque is 212 Nm at 5,250 RPM. H22Z1 black top, analog of H22A4 for Australian market with a different control unit, installed on Prelude VTR. Power output 200 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. Torque 212 Nm at 5,250 RPM. Maintenance of the powertrain should be carried out every 15,000 kilometers, but as with any engine, it is recommended to reduce the period by 1.5 times to increase the life of the motor. To prevent other malfunctions, it is recommended to do a diagnostic of the electronic engine control unit for errors during each maintenance. Faults and repair. As with any powertrain, the H22A has its faults typical for it. So, the main ones are as follows: H22A powertrain refinement and repair. Antifreeze leakage. It is necessary to check the CCH. Oil consumption. Standard case for this series of motors. It is worth checking oil rings and caps. Oil leakage. It is recommended to check camshaft plugs and oil pressure sensor. Engine brakes. It is worth checking the timing, adjust the valves and check the correctness of the temperature and detonation sensors. In conclusion, the Honda H22A engine stands out as a remarkable power unit that has left a lasting impact since its introduction in 1991. With its impressive technical characteristics, including a robust output and efficient design, it has powered various models, particularly the fourth generation of the Honda Prelude. While the H22A is celebrated for its performance, it is essential for owners to be aware of its maintenance needs and potential issues that may arise over time. Understanding these aspects ensures that enthusiasts can enjoy the full potential of this iconic engine while keeping it in optimal condition. Thank you for watching, and we hope this overview has provided valuable insights into the Honda H22A engine.